This is Tim Hegarty with the Virtual Training Company C++ Fundamentals. We now want to take a look at constant expressions. Now you already know about constants and how to create constants so that you don't have magic numbers all over your code. That's a pretty basic fundamental from C programming itself. What we want to take a look at are the constant expressions in C++ and how they work. We've got a little function here, and what we're going to set up here is first of all a little character array that we'll stick the name norm in, and then we're going to create a pointer to a constant. So we have constant char star PC, and then we'll set it equal to some address to S, or the location of S. Now here we cannot then say that PC sub 3 is equal to G. We can't change the value that is within S, because PC is a pointer to a constant. So that tells us that we are not allowed to do that. Now S itself may not have been defined as a constant. It may have been defined just normally as some array of memory out there and declared and defined. But PC is a pointer to a constant, so it cannot make that change to S. So that's when it's useful to have pointers to constants so that you don't accidentally change something. Now here we can change the value of PC because it is not a constant pointer. It is a pointer to a constant. Okay, so does that make sense? Here we have a constant pointer. So now notice a little bit of a difference here. We have character pointer constant CP equal to S. And of course, since it is a constant pointer, it has to be initialized as it's defined so that we get the initialization over with at the front. We can say that what CP points to, the third byte of it, is equal to A. That's okay because S is not the constant anymore. The pointer is the constant, so that we cannot move the pointer and move it up and down an array of arrays or anything like that. CP equals P, we cannot change that, so that's an error. Can't change the constant pointer. Now here we have a constant pointer to a constant, so that we can use the information, read it, but not accidentally change the pointer and not accidentally change the value that we're pointing to. So it's a constant character pointer to a constant CP, and character pointer C equals S. Okay, so that's a constant pointer to a constant. And I see a little typo there. Take that space out. Star constant CPC equals S. That should not be two values right there. And there we say CPC sub 3 is equal to A. That's an error because we know that both of these are constants, that CPC is a constant pointer to a constant. So can't do that. And that will be an error. And we can't change the value of CPC either. Can't change what it points to. We can't change it because it is a constant pointer to a constant. So that's what C++ gives you over and above the typical constants that we're aware of in the C language.